Top 3 websites that will pay you handsomely for doing simple work at home. No experience required. Welcome to my training video. In this video, I'm going to share top 3 websites that's going to pay you real money at home for doing simple work. Thousands and thousands of people are joining these websites to make money at home. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with the people you care and leave a comment. It will be appreciated. And also don't forget to check out the links in the description box below this video. In there's going to be a link where you will learn, you will see a training video of one system that's made me over $115,307.79 in commissions. You're seeing the screen right here. Here's the website address right at the bottom. You could go to this website address. You could watch the training video on how this system works. This is just one program that's made me over $115,000. So if you want to learn more about this program, then check out the links in my description box below this video. Also, if you're more interested in Clickbank and you want to learn all about Clickbank, how to make money with Clickbank, how to drive traffic, how to start getting sales and conversions, then I have a course on Clickbank with a discount. The links are going to be in the description box below this video, or you could just head over to this website address here. It's called udemy.com. If you just type in my name right like this, you're going to see my courses, and one of my courses is going to be all about Clickbank. You could come here, you could purchase this course, you could go through the training, and for any reason you didn't like what I have to offer, or for some reason you just believe that this is not worth it, just get your money back. It's a 30-day money back guarantee, 100% risk free. Okay, so let's dive into this. How to make money online, simple online work, online job. People are looking for ways to make money online. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of ways to make money online, and everyone is just scrolling through after one program to another program to another program to find a legitimate way to make money online. So I am here to help you make money online. I am here to help you create a real lifestyle internet business. That is the reason why I'm telling you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. Now remember, I've been in this business for over 10 years, so I know a lot. I've generated multiple six figures from the comfort of my home, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so you might want to check the links out in my description box below this video to see what I have to offer to help you make real money online. All right, so one of the best ways that people normally get started when it comes to making money online is affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. They want to like make commissions by promoting other people's product. Now we'll talk about this in a later module because I have so much to offer when it comes to affiliate marketing. I've been in this business and I have done affiliate marketing for the past 10 years. I'm generating multiple six figures, but in this video I'm not going to talk about affiliate marketing. I'm going to talk about how to do simple work, which is called an online job, online work, and start getting paid. All right, so I'm going to show you top 3 websites that's going to pay you for doing simple work. Okay, the first website is called Tester Work. You could go to this website, Tester Work. You could see here, earn money testing apps. Join our community of 70,000 plus testers around the globe and earn money testing websites and apps in your free time. All right, you could become a tester and start doing this. So if you scroll down, you can see you could get more information all about this website. It's going to give you more details. All right, so they're going to pay you very good amount of money for testing websites. Okay, so you could get more information by going to the frequently asked questions. You could just scroll through and play around and see what this is all about. Right, the second website is called Enroll App. Okay, so if you come to Enroll App, you could come here and you could test apps. Okay, and for testing apps they're going to pay you very good amount of money. Okay, so So you could see here it's giving you all the details. Test taken and counting is 651,000 plus. All right. So you could do some sample tests down here. Enroll today and make the web a better place. And you could start getting paid. Okay. Now the other website is, I've already mentioned this, but I'm going to mention it again. The third website where you can get paid handsomely for submitting accepted articles and content is Whoa Woman Writing. You could write on education, on science and history, and whenever you write good content on a website just like this and you submit it, guess what? You get paid. They pay you anywhere from $50 to $200. And I also mentioned on where to get your articles from. So you could go to ChatGPT and you could type in something like write an article about education. Just hit submit and there you go. My article is going to get ready just in a couple of seconds. Okay, as you can see, the chat GPT is doing all the work for me. I could just go here, take this article, and then I could go to another website which is called Spinbot. All right, so I'm going to come here. This is a Spinbot website. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this entire article. Okay, come to Spinbot. All right, just paste it in here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to do a basic spin, right? And it's going to spin this entire article for me. So you can see here, okay, it spin the entire article for me. All right, so you could come to this website, you could do all this very simple, very easy. You could get your articles and come and submit your articles here. Now these are the top 3 websites that you can get paid, but I'm going to add another extra one website into this video tutorial that will that way you can start doing some simple work and start getting paid. Okay, now before I get into the last website, once again, if you want to learn how I made $115,000 in commissions with this one system, check out the links in the description box below this video. If you can't find the link for any reason, then here's the website address you're seeing right on the screen. Just go to this website address and you're going to watch this training video. Okay, that's going to explain how this entire system works and how this one program is taking the internet by storm. Okay, so all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. You must check it out if you really want to change your life. Okay, so let's get into the last website. The website, now I've already mentioned that this video is all about 3 websites, but I thought let me just add another one more website for you. The website is called Cambly. Okay, what is Cambly? Cambly is a website where you can get paid for tutoring and interviewing. So it's very basic. If you come to Cambly, you could see online English classes with native speakers. Okay, so if I scroll down, okay, you could see you could learn and earn. All right, complete group kids. Okay, try it out for free resources. Okay, so you know what I do? If you're going, if I was you, whenever I come across any new website, any new program where I'm interested in learning how to make money online, I play around, all right? So the first thing I will do is I will go to the tutor section, then I will go to the courses section. I will see what people have to offer, what people are doing, how people are utilizing the website to make money online. So with Cambly, what you do is you do online tutoring, okay? Basically interviewing, tutoring, and they pay you very handsomely. Okay, so if you come here, you could go through the website, you could see what people have to offer, and there you go. Look at this, here it is. Join our English tutoring community to enjoy flexible schedule and rewarding conversation with people from all over the world, and they pay you a good amount of money for doing this. Okay, so if you're someone living and you're more interested in doing tutoring and talking to people, chatting with people, and you want to get paid from the comfort of your home, doing this in your spare time, or make some extra cash, this could be a very good website where you can come start doing some online tutoring and start getting paid. Okay, so this was the fourth website. Basically, I covered three websites. I added this fourth website, and I'm going to come up with some more videos showing you some more websites that will pay you very good amount of money, and sharing how these websites could pay you and how you can make a living from the comfort of your home by going to these simple websites and doing some simple work. Okay, so that's all for now. Once again, thank you for watching my video. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button. If you have any comment, if you have any question, just leave a comment. And if you still haven't checked out the website, that the one system that's made me over $115,000 in commissions, then check out the link in the description box below this video, where you're going to see this entire system in action. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.